With Omicron cases on the rise, a new COVID-19 vaccine is now in clinical trials.
And studies are taking place right here in Hawaii. But how soon could that new extra dose become available? KITV4's Tom George now joins us in the studio. He spoke to one of the people on the ground floor of the new clinical trial. Tom.
Yeah, well, Maddie Leday was among those who tested the original COVID-19 vaccine back when there was no guarantee it would even work. Now, he's ready to test out a new formula specifically designed to tackle the now dominant variant. When we first caught up with Maddie Leday, he was ready to be among the first to get boosted just in time for summer and hopefully the beginning of the end of the pandemic.
Proud to be a lab rat, and I'll do it again, why not?
Well, here we are in 2022. Leday was in on the ground floor of Hawaii's Pfizer trials. He was part of the original trial, then the booster. Now he got the call again, asking for volunteers for shot number 4.
All my family and friends mostly have said, don't get it, you don't need it, why, but gonna do it anyway, I guess.
He's rolling up his sleeve again this Tuesday.
It said, it's gonna be a 50-50 shot that you either get the same formula, just a 4th dose, or this new Omicron-specific variation of the vaccine.
That new Omicron-specific vaccine, though, is far from ready to go public, and Dr. Scott Miskovich says for those who might be waiting on it, you should make sure and get the current booster first.
Basically, the vaccines are doing what we need them to do, which is stopping you from dying. And the people that are in the boosted group versus just 2 vaccines are even further ahead, up at the 90% ranges, which is what the data shows.
But will there be even more beyond 4 shots down the road?
This isn't the last one. Most of us are predicting that we'll have at least annual shots for the next 2 years.
As for Leday, just hoping once all this is behind us, he can say he was part of the solution.
By me testing out this 4th shot, maybe if it could even save 1 life, maybe I've done something good.
Now, luckily, Leday hasn't gotten COVID-19 this entire pandemic, and not having COVID-19 was one of the requirements for this round of that clinical trial. Now, once he does get the shot, he'll have to keep a log of his symptoms. Now, again, the Omicron vaccine still in the trial phase here, but Dr. Miskovich says it is already moving ahead in other countries. Reporting live, Tom George, KITV4, Island News.